I am Shreya, and in today's video I'm going to do a get ready with me for this Rakhi. So in this video I'm going to cover skincare, outfit, makeup and the entire look. So make sure you stay tuned. Also I'm going to leave all the links in my description box below, so make sure you check them out, especially the outfit, and I've also made separate collections, so do check them out. And now let's just begin with the video. Okay, so obviously we will be starting with the skincare first. So I have used all the basic products for skincare and I am trying to use least amount of products as much as I can. So let's begin with it. So I have already washed my face. So I have used Clean and Clear to wash my face. You can use any face wash obviously. Now let's begin with the next step. We're going to use the Saint Botanica Serum Plus Moisturizer. So this has both the ingredients. It also has a part of serum and moisturizer, so definitely it's really good for your skin. And so I'm going to use this one. So I've let the serum moisturizer set on my skin for some 2-3 minutes. And also, if you can hear some background noise, just bear with it because there's some construction going on, so I cannot help it. So let's move on with the next step. So for my next step, we will be starting our makeup. So I'm going to use the NYB primer. So once the primer is set, we are going to use the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now this has very good coverage and it also has sheen particles, so it's very perfect for any festive occasion. So now the foundation is all done. So now I'm going to move ahead with the concealer. So here I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to use very little amount of this. So now we are done with the concealer. Let's quickly move with the eyes. So I'm going to use my usual Makeup Revolution palette for this. So first of all, we are going to line our brows, some shade for that. So we are going to do a brown smoky eye look. So I'm going to go with the lighter shade first. So once that is done, I'm going to move with a darker shade. So I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, so now the smoky eye is all done. Now you can add shimmer on top if you wish, but I just want to keep it like this. Now we are going to move with the lower part of our eyes. So I'm going to just line it with black eyeshadow. So once that is done, I'm going to use the same palette for my blush and contour shade for contouring. So now it's time for blush. For the blush, I'm going to use the Chili palette, pink palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, for the highlighter, I'm going to use my usual favorite Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter stick. This has a very balmy consistency which makes your face look really shiny, and that too in a very natural way. So I'm just going to use this one like this, and then you can just use your finger and do like tap it twice and it's all done. Can you just see this? After that, I'm going to use my mascara. So it's going to be the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, which is waterproof. So now it's the final part of our makeup look. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Maybelline liquid lipsticks. So this is the perfect shade for any festive season. Also it's very wearable, so I'm just gonna use light stroke of this. Now I'm gonna quickly change into my outfit, and I'm gonna show you guys the outfit, and the link will be in the description box. It's really affordable, so don't forget to check it. Okay you guys, so this is the outfit which I'm wearing. So I'm gonna insert a picture right here, and also I'm gonna leave all the links in my description box below. Also it's very affordable, plus it's not very expensive, and also you can wear it for your work or college or casual occasions, so you can actually use it in many ways, so that's not an issue. So it's very affordable and very useful at the same time. So this is how I created my entire Rakhi look. It's very comfortable, and the material of this clothing is also really comfortable. The link is in the description box, make sure you check it out. Also I have similar collections in ethnic wears, so you can just choose the ones which you like. So that is it about today's video, and I hope you guys will have loved it.